So what we're gonna attempt to do is repair this section of rust here on the rocker. First thing we're gonna have to do is remove this door. Then we'll cut out this section of rust. The next step is gonna determine whether we're gonna be able to finish this project today or if we're gonna have to wait. Once we're inside, we're gonna inspect what's going on the intersection of those rockers. I can see just a little bit of it, and for the most part, it looks like surface rust. And I hope that that's all there is. Underneath the car, I don't see any signs of major rust on the rocker. If we find that the insides are okay, we'll be able to take the stock sheet metal that I have. We'll have to form it to the shape of the rocker, and hopefully we can patch this section. All right, y'all, we got everything that we need out of the way. Now we can start cutting. Well, there you have it. The inside's completely rusted. We pretty much all had a suspicion that it would be. Hopefully Biden and his crew can get us that second stimulus and I can get more parts. Check back in with me next week. We're gonna be on the driver's side of the car. We're actually gonna weld in some patches on the rear inner fender. I'll show you guys how I set that up and what I do for that. And again, thanks for watching. We'll see you all next week.